Here at 10, Jefferson County leaders are making mental health a priority. Sheriff Zena sat down for an exclusive interview with 12 News. And tonight she tells us too many inmates are being taken to the county jail when they really need mental health services. Now, police departments within the county are investing $8 million to create a new diversion center. Now, this facility will house inmates who need mental health resources. 12 News reporter Ebony Coleman spoke with Sheriff Zena one-on-one today. And Ebony, she's hoping that this will lower the number of mentally ill inmates who are housed in the county jail.
So Brenda, Sheriff Stevens tells me about 80% of inmates who come through the Jefferson County Jail suffer from mental illness. Some of them need to be put on 24-hour watch, which puts a strain on officers and housing.
They're refusing to take their medications. They're housed, in a jail. It doesn't make their situation better. It gets worse, and we see that.
Jefferson County Sheriff Zena Stevens is spearheading a new diversion center coming to Jefferson County.
The funding is coming from, a contract agreement that we had from Port Arthur Police and Beaumont Police in Jefferson County.
Together, the three departments are putting down $8 million to make it happen. The new facility could come from rehabilitating unused buildings at the Dream Center in Beaumont or building something new.
What we do know is we have to have an allocation of this money by December of 2024.
Law enforcement in Jefferson County wants to use the center to break the vicious cycle of arresting those who may not be criminals but continue to be put in jail because they're mentally ill.
If the police officer encounters someone who appears to be in crisis, they can bring them there, divert them from the criminal justice system, and try to get them some help.
The facility would have 20 beds. Those who need help could stay anywhere from 3 to 5 nights.
What we're envisioning is, again, having law enforcement there for security, correctional officers there, people from the mental health, areas to screen.
Sheriff Stevens is hoping this will help with overcrowding at the county jail.
As long as I can remember, we've had issues with trying to find a safe place to put people who suffer with mental health issues.
Sheriff Stevens says they will need to staff the new facility, so once it's built, they would need to hire a wide range of mental health professionals. Live in studio, Ebony Coleman, 12 News.
All right, thanks.